Look at this paradise, man. It's getting like.
Oh yeah, Mom, did you know that?
Ia tā koto e ākara mai nei paitaro te ia te tunga ne e ne trāti ko ki mea nganga mera nana. Man, it's ke te maruru I tama anga te ia ngai. E te mea ko tau I re te tutu o te ia ngai, mane re tama I anga. Ākara ia. Mane. E te mea. Vai I ara te ia ngai. Mata ia te vai.
Mom, look, Fiona.
Ia ka vai tika e te ia awatiu e maro ore.
Hi. There's a baby coming. There's a baby.
Yeah. Apopo rapa. Apopo.
Toshiro.
Te mera ka trai te ere mai tari apinga ngat pai. Trara o tere te ora. Tano te pai ngat pai. Okay, I've just noticed this. It's the first time I've seen a fancy covering for the Taro patch like this. Look. Tapakauro ai te. Tapakauro ai te. Kamane te pai Taro.
Yeah, this one goes to anybody.
So
Hey.
pretty.
Yeah,
And then this here is it's also this is the modern day. This is the modern day cover for the Taro patch. It's been recycled from the main stores here to cover this Taro patch here. So these are the alternative sources, the covers. So you got the original, which is the Kiko, which we see here. And then we also have this, the cardboard, and also the PVC plastic, the black plastic. That's also another covering, and here is also another one. This is the Rauru. This is from the banana leaves, the dry banana leaves. I prefer the organic like this, these two together. Banana leaves and the Kiko leaves. Te tae nei te vai ko ne, riri nui te vai e tae mai ne. Manui o ki kua anga mai a enere te tae I ara vai. Tae anga no te vai. Ko ia tika e te riri nui e tae mai ne, mana kone o kare vai. Te ora te vai e tae ne. Te ere nei ki raro. Tāma uu te ngā I mako. Ke ere tui ki raro kiro te trākou vai koe te ngai ako tonga peirere, ere tuara ki tei. Nā raro atu te api I nika, ere tuki rongo.